Now let's make the medicinal tea. First and foremost, you have to wash the herbs very well in order to make sure that there aren't any insects or any eggs laid on them. Take each of the petals apart and clean them well. Next, you need to chop up the lemongrass into 2 centimeter pieces. That should be enough. Now collect all the leaves and flowers into a vessel and add about 1.5 cups of water to it. So now you can see a bluish tinge in the water from the flowers. Now this blue pigment is an anthocyanidin by the name of delphinidin, and it is abundantly present in pigmented vegetables and fruits, an example of which is blueberries and the famous red wine. Switch off the flame as soon as it comes to a boil.